Hi everyone. Today I'm going to run through and answer a few of the questions we've been getting about the script function on our OBD2 CAN Simulator. I'll be demonstrating those functions as we go. So the first question is the GUI tool available for operating system other than Windows, like Linux? The short answer is nope. Right now, the GUI is strictly a Windows thing. But if you are just using the script function, not talking about the display function, you can actually use the remote terminal GUI to generate script. Because all those scripts are starting with 80 space, we always sometimes we also call them 80 commands. And those commands can control the simulator through serial communication. Since most of the computer nowadays don't have RS-232 serial port anymore, you can just use a USB to serial adapter cable to plug the simulator right into your computer's USB port, like the cable I have over here. I have this cable inserted into the serial port, and we actually the USB port and the USB port we are using is COM1, so I label this as COM1. The reason I label this because I have quite a few USB port on my computer, and I have a few device. I will need a few device to control or to see those data at the meantime. That's why. So since it's connected to COM1, I can connect. Just click the connect button, and then I can see the data. I can use those remote control to change the data output for my simulator. But once I have those script commands, I don't need that anymore for controlling purpose. So I disconnect, and then I have Termite, an open source serial communication terminal over here. Once I click connect, because I'm using COM1 as well. If I let me show you the setting. Make sure when you are using Termite, make sure always choose this append, carriage return, and line feeder, because each command we need this to detect that's the end of the command. So make sure you choose this select this option here, and then click OK. Once you have this serial port connected to the simulator, you can send AT command here. I have a few AT commands here. I can use those commands to control the display, control the on-off of the LED. For example, right now I'm sending out 0% on 0% step value. Right now, if you look at my camera over here, the 0% LED is blinking. Then if I say I want to move my step value to 60%, I enter this command, then the 60% LED is flashing. So let me try move the step value to 80%. So you will see the 80% step value by looking at LED. The 80% LED is on right now. I cannot just operate the LED. I can also operate the buttons, the push buttons. For example, the menu button is controlling the warning LED. So this is a warning. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit yellowish LED here. It's a warning. So I can use the menu button to turn on or turn off the warning LED. Right now the warning LED is on. I press this one, it will turn off this LED. So I press that, it's off. If I enter this command again, it will turn it back on. So that's the control for the menu push button. Same thing happened for the done button. So I copy the commands for done button. I press that. This 0% and done arrow LED is for the done button. If I press that, it will turn it on. See, this LED is on, and then I use this command again, it turn it off. Let me try the up button. I copy the command for controlling the up button. Click that. This 100% and up value, up arrow is indicating the up button. So the LED turns on, and I use that command again. It will turn off this LED. So I can actually not just control those LED or push button, I can control the CAN bus on and off. The command is AT space CAN bus equals 0. When I turn off the CAN bus, the 0%, 100%, and this range LED, 3 LED will be flashing. So whenever you see 3 LED flashing like a warning sign, it's indicating the CAN bus is off. When the CAN bus is off, you won't be able to detect any CAN message on your CAN network. So if that thing happen, you can use this another command, AT space CAN bars equals 1 to turn it back on. Now you don't see any LED, you don't see those 3 LED blink simultaneously. That means the CAN bus is on. Let me now let me turn off most of the simulators LED by input this 0% step value. Now it's 0%, so all 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100% LED are turned off, and only the 0% LED is blinking. That means the step value is at the 0%. So those are the commands: control the LED, control the push button, and control the CAN bus on off. The next question is, because in the previous video, some customers say, do I have the capability to switch the script function on? Do I have to use the remote terminal GUI to turn it on or off by check the checkbox? The answer is yes, absolutely. You can use an AT command to toggle the script function on and off whenever you want. It's pretty simple. The command over here is AT space script equals 1. Let me copy that. So if I press 1, the script function is on right now. But how do we know the script function is on? I think there is one thing we can test it out. I have an interpreter, a combo interpreter over here, and the combo interpreter is connected to communication port 3. So I have communication port 3 COM3 here and make sure, okay. Now the port 3 is connected to the interpreter, and both of the interpreter and the simulator are connecting to the same CAN network. Let me stop that. From the LED, the blinking 0% LED, we know the step value should be 0%. That means the RPM and the mile power supposed to be 0 if there is no script control. But right now you see the mile power is 40 point something, and the RPM is 2500 RPM. So this is definitely not a 0% value for RPM and mile power, which means this those two values are actually the output value setting by script function. Now let me turn off the script and see what's going on for the RPM and mile power. So I choose the script command again and change this AT space script equals 0 to turn off the script. At the meantime, I open that and then stop so we can see clear. You see, once I turn off the script, the RPM and mile power is controlled by the slide bar again, and the mile power, it goes back to 0 mile per hour, and RPM goes back to 0 RPM. So this is demonstrating how I use this command AT space script to turn on or turn off the script. Let me turn on the script again. Then when I turn on the script, you can actually, because the script function or the script command, we have 6 parameters are able to be controlled by those script function. So you can not just change in RPM, you can use the script to change the win number. So for example, I have, let me enter like AT command, AT win equals something, and then press enter. I should be able to see the win number here. I can ask. Okay. So I asked win equals what? Okay, actually there is a win number here, but this one is 0, 0, 0. Let me clear all those data again and see. Let me unplug, plug it back on. Okay. Okay, this accidentally have the same value as a 0%. Let me change the step value. Yeah, let me change the step value to 60% or maybe 40%. Let me change the step value to 40% using the open source termite. Now the step value changed to 40%. The 40% value is here, the LED is here, it's blinking, and then the script value, I mean the, okay. Okay, let me clear this, and then, okay. Now we see, even though the step value changed to 40%, because originally, previously we have setting this win number to this. So it's 000. That means this value is setting by the command instead of controlled by the slide bar. Okay. What is the okay? Next question is what is the actual protocol between the GUI and the device? Is it documented? Like I said, the communication itself is using the standard RS-232 serial protocol. For the documentation, yes, every single command is fully documented. We have all the command from 0% to 1%, 2%, all the way to 100%. For the step value, also the key input value for controlling the push buttons or the combination of the buttons, to 10 CAN bars on or off to control those 3 parameters. Also, there is a white noise control button. It's just AT command white noise equals 0 or equals 1 to turn it on or off. When you press this, enter the command, if the buzzer is not disabled, you should be able to hear a beeping sound to indicate the simulator received a command from your serial port. Okay. So all those commands is fully documented, but we don't post it publicly. So if you need one of those documents, well, just send us an email and request for that. We'll be happy to send it over to you for any of our OBD2 CAN Simulator customers. So question number 4 is which edition should I order if I need a script function? Even though you don't need to to use the remote terminal GUI to send those commands, but if you do need a script function, you will need to order the script edition to have this capability. So which means the non-plus edition or plus edition don't support script function. But if you already purchase or already have a simulator either on the non-plus edition or plus edition, you can always upgrade your license to the script edition. You don't need to pay. You just need to pay the extra price difference to get those script function capability. So once you have that license upgraded, you will unlock all the script function. I think that's pretty much all the questions we got so far, and I hope this video probably will explain some of the question. If you have any question, any other question, or some of the or any example you want me to show you, just send us an email or give me a call, and I should be able to help you out. Thank you so much for your time, and see you next time.